What's up guys? Welcome to Jadoo Baba Tech. My name is Maanyaay Agarwal. This video is about HTML. So what is an HTML? HTML is HTML is not a programming language, it is a hypertext markup language. So what is over here hypertext mean? Hypertext are the text which contains link. So what it actually mean? When you click on the hypertext, it redirects you on the different web page on the internet. So our next topic is what is container and empty text in HTML. So let's go. Container text, empty text in HTML. So what are container text? Container text refers to an element that contains opening as well as closing text. It also defined as text associated with it. So there are some examples of container text: HTML, head, title, body. So now what is empty text? Empty text are the text which refers to an element that contains only opening text. For example, HRBR. So our next topic is basic structure of an HTML. So let's go. Basic structure of an HTML document. First HTML, second head, third title, fourth body. So what is an HTML tag over here? HTML tag denotes that it is an HTML document. Second, HTML tag is the first tag used by you people while preparing a web page or a website. After that, head tag. Head tag used to provide information about document. For example, document description, title, style, script. After that, you use title tag. Title tag used to give title to a web page. So title is displayed over a title bar. After that, you people use body tag. Body tag. All the tags, attributes, information to be displayed on the web page are in the body tag. So this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment.